Hi guys, Bobby D here. Thank you for watching my channel where I'm going to show you how you can earn between $5 and $20 every 5 minutes. And this is my Make Money Online PayPal method for 2019. Now I'm going to show you how you can earn $5 to $20 every 5 minutes using a very simple couple of websites. Now this is a perfect method for anybody who wants to make money online. It's perfect if you're a newbie and you've got no experience whatsoever. And it's perfect for basically anyone who's got a bit of spare time and wants to make a bit of side cash. And I'll show you exactly the websites you need to go on. Now watch my video to the end, guys, and I'll show you the exact method that I use. Okay, you can really make money with this every single day. It's a tried and tested method. It works 100%. It's a true passive income for life. Okay, you can do this whenever you want, in your break, in your lunch break, at work, when you're sitting at home. Whenever you want to make a few extra bucks, you can do this, okay? And you can make as much money as you want. There is no limit to it. And the best bit is it's free to start up. There is no charge whatsoever. Now, before we get on with the method, can you do me a favor, please? Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button. That way you get to see my latest videos. As soon as I do a video, I upload it and you'll be the first to see it, which means you'll be the first to try it and make money online. And what I'm also doing for you guys, I'm giving you some free training. If you go underneath the video, there's a comment section, and here it will say, get my free training here. If you click that link there, that will take you to 7 videos that I have done, all free, guys. There's nothing to pay. And it's 7 videos to show you how I got started in affiliate marketing and how I earn $100 every single day. And you can too. So hit the subscribe, hit the bell for me, and then that will take you over to my channel, which is Bobby D. And these are all my videos to help you guys make money. And in there are also affiliate reviews of products. I'm an affiliate marketer, and these are products that I've reviewed to tell you if they work or not, to help you make money. Now there's hundreds of videos, guys. Go through them all. There's some really good ways of making money, including my #1 method, which is Fiverlicious, which is on here. There's a link there to click. This is actually my own product that I made, and it's all about using Fiverr to make some serious money, and I made $6,000. So that's it for now, guys. Let's get on with the training. So I'm going to show you a couple of sites today. The first one you want to go to is conker.io. So it's Konker.io. Now this is pretty much like Fiverr, okay, where people are looking for jobs to be done and you do them. Let's have a look. Let's just pick anything for info. So premium age domains. There's one there. You can go to graphics and design. You can go to SEO. If you go to graphics and design, you know, I'll create you a cheap logo. I'll create you a professional logo. And this guy's done 43. Tells you about what he does there. Real simple jobs to do, just like Fiverr. Okay. Again, this is backlinks, super easy to do, guys, once you know how to do it. And really easy to get into. So that's Konker.io. So the first thing you're already saying is, Bobby, I don't know how to do backlinks. I don't know how to do graphics and design. You don't need to, okay? Keep watching the video to the end and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So what you need to do is to sign up here, click the sign in, fill your details out. You'll be sent a confirmation email. Answer that back, just click the link and then you'll be started. So there are a load of things to sell. What I want you to concentrate on today is the logos, because I'm going to help you out here. Okay, logos always sell well. Okay, really great sellers. And I'm going to show you a way of doing them really easy. So I'm going to show you 2 websites where you can create logos for free. The first one is freelogodesign.org. freelogodesign.org. Once you get there, type in your company name. Mine is Bobby D Marketing. Slogan, I haven't got one. What is your business type? So we'll say marketing. choose 5 keywords, just click them all because there isn't 5. Hit next. Choose the color palettes you like. So this is going to work out what sort of logos you like. I quite like that, and I quite like dark, and I quite like forest. Oh, you've got to choose 5. Let's go on. Choose the fonts that you like. These will be fonts to create your logo. I quite like that, and I quite like that. Now what it does now, it gives you some examples. Oh geez, look at that one. So this is just an example, guys. This is really, really, really easy. But that is how quick you can make a logo. Now you can change things around, you can change the icons, you can change the font, you can change the palettes, and it gives you hundreds of different variants, okay, of what you want. So you could get started designing these logos and putting them out there, you know, really quickly. Simple, clean logos, that's what a lot of people like. Some of the logos out there are super complicated, but this is just super, super easy, super clean, super smart, super free. So the second website I'm going to take you to is Looka, Looka.com. This is much better, but I wanted to give you 2 examples. So you've got Logo Maker, how it works, reviews, logo ideas, and blog. And these are just some ideas that you can use. Now you can see straight away the difference in these is phenomenal. So let's do Bobby D Marketing. These are much sharper, much clearer. Money, let's just hit money. What business are you in? Making money. So what 5 logos do you like? I like really, and I don't like that, simple logos. For me, I like deep and grayscale. Select the 3 colors you like. I like grayscale and I like teal. So a bit like the other site, but this is much, much better. Add a slogan, no. Search for symbols with a $sign. So let's pick that one. You can pick up to 5 different symbols. So it's going to generate my, look at that, it puts on a t-shirt. See, that's quite smart. That's quite smart. What you need to do is sign up to see the rest of the logos, but they're all free, guys. Just hit sign up via Facebook or whatever. As you can see, these are just much smarter, much better looking, cleaner, super easy to read, and you're gonna knock them out for $5. I mean, they are cheap as chip. So guys, that's a couple of websites that you can use along with Conquer or Fiverr to make some simple logos to help you make money. Now, there is a much quicker way of doing this. There's a program out there called Fiverrlicious. It's actually my own program. I made it. This is the sales page, and this will show you exactly what I done, and I made $6,446 on Fiverr. Okay, and I'll show you exactly what I done, what gigs you need to sell, who you need to go to do them, because I didn't do a single one, not one. I didn't do a single gig. I didn't complete it myself because I don't know how to. It is my best-selling product I've ever released. I've sold over 2,000 copies of it because it works. And when you join, you get to join my secret Facebook group where we all talk about Fiverr and tips and tricks on how to make money. It's still only $9.97. It's not going to stay like that forever. These are all the testimonials that are coming in. There's a lot more now. It's brilliant. Read all the testimonials. There's loads on there, guys. It's $9.97. This will show you exactly what you need to do. I made $6,000 and you can do the same. So that's it, guys. I'm Bobby D from BobbyDOnlineMarketing.com. Please, guys, hit the subscribe for me. Hit the bell notification and go and have a look at my website. It's BobbyDOnlineMarketing.com. I'll just show it to you on here very quickly. Oh, it's not on there. And on that site is all my affiliate reviews of all the products that come out. I review them. I give you my honest opinion of them to tell you if it's worth buying or not. So that's it there. So I'm Bobby D. Thanks for listening, guys. I'll speak to you soon.